Alô, hoje é um dia muito especial. Tenho o AM aqui ao pé de mim e hoje vamos fazer aqui uma coisa diferente. Vamos fazer este vídeo em inglês. Eu tenho bastante curiosidade em perceber se tem algum tipo de impacto ou não, mas a minha intenção não é mudar, a minha intenção é continuar a fazer vídeos em português. So, okay, let's change. Let's do it in English. Maybe this is the only time. This is AM. I'm very proud to have him here with me. And he's going to try for his first time to shape Juniper that we bought on nursery. And we're going to try to turn it into a bonsai. I also got myself a juniper.
I thought I was missing something. You're not gonna do yours at the same time?
Yes, let's do this. So I already prepared the soil for the bonsai. The soil is what I usually use. It's a mix of akadama, kanuma, some compost from my compost bin, and then some lava rock.
How do I start this?
You can start with a stick. You can start like loosening a little bit the dirt, the compost from the bottom. Yeah, with small radial movements. Yeah, inside out.
Planning on using this as a tutorial?
I'm sorry. Yes.
Don't follow my steps, follow my father's. I feel like I'm destroying all the roots. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know if this is right. It's way too thick, way too dense.
I can try. Instead of trying to take big chunks, if you start slowly, but
Hurts. I don't know what to do with this.
helps you to picture what you're going to do next. like maybe bring this down a little bit, and this is like the first layer of leaves. Maybe the same with this one, and this is the second layer of leaves. And maybe give it, you can try to give it a twist. And this is the main trunk, like main trunk, and then 2 layers, different heights. And this might be also a layer, like at the same height of this one here. So bottom layer, middle layer, and main branch. And considering the thickness of the trunk, maybe you should wire these 2 together and these 2 together.
Gotcha.
You want wire?
Sure.
So usually what I do to see the length of the wire is that I put the wire on the bottom parts of the trunk. So this is about right. And then I do the same for the second branch. And this is about right. And then you find a spot to anchor the wire. And you start anchoring using a 45-degree angle.
Damn, look at that. Damn. Guys, I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing right now. Full down.
I'm going to use my hose to try to release a little bit more of this dirt.
It's amazing how one little cut can improve the whole shape of the plant. I was completely lost, but I cut those 2, and now I'm starting to like how it looks.
So I'm going to anchor the tree on the bottom. I'm going to call this a pot, although it's not a pot. I'm going to anchor the tree to the bottom of this pot. The main reason for this is I don't want the tree to move or to move too much. I want the tree to be all the time in contact with the substrate.
I'm gonna remove all these little branches that are facing down. But I don't know if the plant is gonna look too naked after that.
Maybe you could pot it first and then make the final adjustments once it's inside the pot.
Where's the pot?
The pot.
Thank you. Potted. So I think the point of this is so your soil doesn't fall through the hole.
Yes, correct.
It's a bit of chicken wire and a thick wire. Thick what? Chicken net? Chicken wire?
Mm-hmm.
You know when you're doing a math test and you skip over the first question because you have no clue how to solve it, and you do the same for the second and the third and the fourth, and you get to the end of the test and it's all empty? This is my test.
Let the viewers be the judge of that.
Yeah. Please don't go easy on me. You can insult my creation all you want.